Sorry Leute für den Unterbruch. Aber ich wollte zuerst noch alles schnell anschauen, bevor es wieder weitergeht. Das hasse ich. Wenn man nicht weiß, wo es genau weitergeht. Und dann drückst du was aus Versehen und dann scheiße. Nee. Nee. Ach so, okay. Ja, ist gut. Sorry Leute. Aber das musste jetzt kurz sein. Musste ich schnell abbrechen. Ging nicht anders. Das nervt mich nämlich total. Besonders weil ich es nicht nochmal so schnell durchspielen will. Wegen einer Trophäe oder so.
San Francisco is so cool. And this gallery is huge.
So is the buffet. If an event skimps on the food, you know it's a bad event.
As long as I don't have to eat any caviar.
This is your day, Max. You can do whatever you want. I hope you take advantage of your status and talk to as many influential people here as possible. Work the room.
I don't know. I feel so weird, like I'm a little kid hanging with the adults.
Max, after this week, you are certainly not a little kid anymore. In fact, you're a noteworthy adult being honored by your peers. Now,
ja, ich hoffe mal wirklich, dass ich doch von meinem Händler den Beta-Code bekomme.
So I started taking charge of things when I was young. Ask my poor classmates. Max, I'm gonna eat up that caviar so you don't have to. Better get in there and start schmoozing. You know, I won't always be here to take charge.
Square Enix gesagt, dass jeder Vorbesteller von Hitman ihren Beta-Code bekommt. Aber bis jetzt habe ich noch nichts von meinem Händler bekommen. Und die fängt ja schon übermorgen an. Also
wow, Sir Max. You did it. Somehow. I went from the dark room to this gallery. I've been through so many realities in 1 week. Life is weird. I love how much cool art is going. Some mysteries should stay that way.
Die Flyer anschauen,
the revolution will not be televised. How fun. Yes. Holy shit, but what would I wear?
Out the ape.
I know some mysteries should...
Habe ich angeschaut.
Wow, sir.
Yep.
A Danny Lee article.
So, dann noch schnell hier die Kunstbücher.
I wish I had time to go see those murals here. I wish I had time to go see those murals here.
Nee, das oben
The Zeitgeist Gallery does have a cool history. I need to drop some serious cash in there.
Okay, gut, das habe ich mir angeschaut.
There I am,
auch noch schnell.
along with all the other winners. I should say artists instead.
Samson Pink.
Look at this print. The depth of field.
Look at this print. Oh, schnell.
That one is kind of silly.
Nee, das muss ich mir eigentlich nicht anschauen, ne? Brauche ich ja nicht. Mal schnell das Foto machen. Tada! Aber sie hat jetzt gar kein Foto genommen.
Aren't you from Blackwell Academy? I wanted to go there, but I didn't get in.
Wie kann ich denn ein Foto in meinem Inventar haben? Geht ja gar nicht.
Young and grunge. He'll think about those days for the rest of... Champagne makes me think of me and Chloe getting busted with that wine.
So, how are you handling your new fame as a photographer?
I don't feel like a famous photographer yet.
Every journey starts with the first step. I'm only a Blackwell bureaucrat, not an artist. But you've made us proud with the great response to your work so far.
kind of surreal to be here after everything that happened at Blackwell.
All the more reason to celebrate your success.
Maybe I feel guilty for celebrating.
Leave that to me. I should have been more proactive about Kate Marsh and her awful situation.
Ja, hätte er sollen.
She's strong, and I'm glad she made it out of that hell. Should have put my foot down with Nathan Prescott. Or put my foot in his ass.
Mark Jefferson was good about hiding his tracks. We were all fooled by him.
Most of all, me. As you might know, I have a weakness for prestige. And Jefferson had such a great reputation. Nobody expected him to be so disturbed. I couldn't believe the police found those sick photos in his dark room. Oh, those poor girls.
At least he's in jail along with Nathan for kidnapping and murder.
And Sean Prescott is now under serious investigation for all his years of corruption. Money and power can only protect you for so long at Arcadia Bay. The irony is that for once, Sean Prescott actually had no clue what was going on with Jefferson. And he even brought him to Blackwell.
I'd like to think there's some karma involved. The Prescotts have had this coming.
I do believe that what goes around comes around. I just hope it's all good for a change.
I'm hoping this is a fresh start, Principal Wells.
Like I said before, you're an adult now, Max. You can call me Ray. Oh, at least for this event. Now, if you'll excuse me, I hear the buffet calling me again.
Ich wette mit euch.
Well, I have to say, this is the best everyday hero show I've seen since it began.
How much would you pay for that?
All the pictures say a lot about our times.
That is different. Having the rest of that.
Bin ich wirklich so dumm? Frau?
Excuse me, I just wanted to tell you how much I loved your photograph. I've seen a lot today, but there's
I always get so inspired.
This makes me feel so sad. Like I was back in high school.
Oh, Mom.
Usually these kind of contests, they put me to sleep.
How do these galleries afford to rent here?
Abstractions. The zeitgeist is doing some. I wonder if I can buy
bin
these
wirklich
everyday
dumm.
heroes pictures.
Ich hätte gar nichts mehr machen können hier. Oh Mann. Sorry.
Hi, and there she is to save the day.
Hi. You did it, Max. You're a real artist. At least for today.
Oh oh, Nasenbluten. Das bedeutet nichts Gutes.
Hey, are you okay? We lost you there for a second.
Your nose.
I'm okay. Jet lag. High altitude.
Yeah, Jetlag. Große Höhen.
Oh, you left the ringer off, idiot.
Ooh.
Oh, come on. Please answer.
Max, holy shit, man, your vision. It's true. You saw the tornado. It's coming.
What? Oh no. Chloe, where are you?
I'm so fucking scared. I'm by the beach.
Chloe! Can you hear me? Hello?
Oh fuck.
Hello? Oh my god. The tornado was real. Oh, I didn't fix shit. Chloe
Ja,
will
wie
die.
wirst du auch das
Arcadia Bay is gonna
fixen?
be destroyed. There has to be a way to stop this. For good.
Wie willst du auch das verhindern? Verhindern, meine ich. Eine Naturkatastrophe.
No
Ich
fucking
weiß
way.
es.
Chloe can't die again.
Gehen wir
I have
zu
to save her.
meinem Porträt. Warte, zuerst mit... Ah, kann ich gar nicht. Okay. Jupp, dann zu meinem Bild. Konzentrieren. Und dann schwuppdiwupp ab in die Vergangenheit. Weißt du, ich frage mich, was passiert denn mit
Excuse
dem
me,
Max?
I'd love to ask you a few questions about your work.
Sorry, but...
Ja, ich weiß, wie das...
you're Max Caulfield, right? Tell me what kind of instant camera you use.
Can we talk later? Thanks. I literally do not have the time to deal with everybody.
Ja, komm schon. Also, das ist scharf.
Oh, shit. Oh, my head. What is going on now? It feels like reality is breaking apart. What am I doing to time?
Schnell, ich muss meine Pflanze retten.
I just have to make one simple change, so I won't end up in San Francisco. Simple.
Zerreißen. Oh. Was passiert dann?
Sorry,
Dann bin
San
ich wieder...
Francisco. Chloe comes first.
Ja, aber dann bin ich jetzt trotzdem in der Dunkelkammer, oder was? Hä? What? Nein, bin ich doch in der Dunkelkammer.
Oh, fuck. God, no. I'm back here again? I thought I fixed everything.
What did you say, Max?
What? Jefferson should be in jail, not here.
Jesus. It's like you're back in my class. You're still spacing out. It might be cool if you took one of your patented selfies now. The transformation between the old Max and the new Max. Anyway, answer my question, please.
Eat shit and die.
Good answer. Good answer. Hey, your nose is bleeding. Probably gave you too big a dose. Sorry about that, Max. But considering you're about to die, a nosebleed is a first world problem.
Ein first world problem.
I had to let Victoria Chase go.
You let her?
Don't be stupid, okay? She's exactly where she deserves to be.
No.
Oh, as if you care.
Tot? Tot. Und Chloe ist auch tot.
Your iris, that dilation like a shutter. The pictures you're taking of me now. Too bad you pissed away your gift. You could have won the contest, but you destroyed your own beautiful photograph. What a waste. Sorry, I burned all your stuff. I got a little carried away.
Oh.
Fuck. He burned my diary.
Always.
That's why I'm still here.
Oh.
Especially since you've developed from nerd to hero within a week. There's something weird going on with you.
Ja, jetzt kann sie nicht mehr zurück.
Whoa. Did you see how crazy it is outside? Like I said, something weird.
Der Leuchtturm.
There's that fear. Oh, Max, it's an honor working with you on these final sessions. I hope these images will be appreciated for what they truly capture. The loss of youth. At least, that's the last lecture you'll ever have to hear from me. And I promise you, no more nosebleeds.
Mr. Jefferson, please, don't do this. You don't know what's happening.
Shh, 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 shh. Quiet. Quiet, Max.
Nee, ähnlich, oder? Du kannst nicht an...
Please.
Nee, geht doch gar nicht. Oh Mann. Oh Mann.
I promise.
Was kann ich?
This final dose won't hurt.